Hi and welcome back, you guys! Today we will sail the seas fearlessly as pirates. Alright, so we start with a sponge soaked in red paradise face paint, covering the space that will be your handkerchief. You need a knot and tip on one side, and get yourself scarlet lips. With black and your round brush, trace the outline, giving it more shape. Don't forget the knot and tip on the side. You can add a few lines to make it look wrinkled. Also, you can give yourself sexy thick eyebrows. With a sponge loaded with black, you can make the overall eye patch shape. And then, with a round brush, the bigger the better, trace the outline. Don't forget to tie it so it doesn't fall off. Add loads of your favorite glitter to it all. Et voila! You're ready for adventure. After a few of those adventures, you may have earned a scar or two. And you may also have discovered that a manly mustache attracts the ladies. Maybe not like this one. This one was too French. Let's make it thicker. Remember to practice your fierce pirate face. At the last town you sacked, you forgot to get racers. And you may or may not have lost your hook in a gambling spree. Oh well, who said being a pirate is easy? I hope you guys had as much fun as I did. Thanks for watching!